we're going to have so much fun learning about compound words with the help of some cool emojis. Ready to get started? Let's go! First up, what's a compound word? It's when two words come together to make a new word. All right, let's look at some examples. Look at these two emojis, a sun and a flower. When we put them together, we get sunflower. Let's try another one. How about this? A fire and a truck. What do we get? A fire truck. This is so much fun. Now, it's your turn. Try to guess the compound word before I tell you the answer. Starfish. Sunglasses. Moonlight. Watermelon. Mailbox. Treehouse. Swordfish. Snowball. Seashell. Rainbow. Keyhole. Lighthouse. Doorbell. Hot dog. Catfish. Football. Cupcake. Great job, everyone! Compound words are so much fun to learn, especially with emojis. Remember to look around you and see if you can spot more compound words in your daily life. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let's explore, discover, and grow together.